contestant. Grabe na si Climax. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the grand winner for Talentado Bicolano Season 5 is contestant number 3, the Alfredo.
Shout out.
Special shout out to the Crux Philippines. Maraming salamat. To all the winners, maraming salamat to all the sponsors, donors. So lahat po daw na nanalo, the second runner-up and the first runner-up, punta daw po, Romar.
Sarap.
And the
nanalo, first, second, third.
Of Legazpi City.
Sige, okay lang, no problem.
To the non-winners, still congratulations and see you on the next season of the Talentadong Bicolano. And please do watch and support the Talentadong Bicolano. Ayan, for the 5th time, naging successful. So,
May 18, dito kami sa San Jose Bao.
Talentadong Bicolano
Season 5 na taon-taon itong May 18.
Ayan, baka maging season 4 dito. Ayan, baka ugod-ugod na si Mami po. Baka maling antig na. Joke lang. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much to all the winners and non-winners. Maraming